Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Michelle with Creative Operation, and I wanted to share this project with you real quick. I'm not going to do a tutorial on it, but I wanted to talk you through it. This is a great project for Halloween, and it's a dollar store craft, and I totally love how this turned out. So when I went to my local dollar store not too long ago, I found these decorations, and it was probably like in the last week or so that I was there. I found these, they're boards. They're, kind of the press board frames. They had actually an easel back on them. And I saw them and I was just like, these are super cute. I bought two of them because I thought, they look like books, right? They're really cute. But I thought, well, I'm going to make a book out of them. So I created a junk journal out of these, and I just love how it turned out. So I basically took two of these, and I took, like I said, the easel part just pops right off. And I just popped them right off. And then what I did was I created a spine just like I would do any of my other albums, and I used the lay flat method, and I'll link a tutorial below, just to create the spine part. And then I connected the two covers together and created my book cover, and look how cute that is. So like if I actually just wanted to leave it open, it would just be super cute, and you could be done with it, and you could have like this whole row of books, and it would be a really cute decoration. But I wanted to kind of do something else, so I did kind of a traveler's journal kind of thing, and I created a junk journal out of it. So what I did was, after I connected the two pieces, then I took pattern paper and covered the inside, used a knife around the edges, and then cut that off. I did ink everything. I'm using the paper that I used. I used artisan cardstock in olive from Country Craft Creations, and then I used 2 sheets of this collection, Recollections Midnight Garden, because I really like the purple and the butterflies and everything. I just kind of wanted to keep the theme, with the covers, with kind of the purple really kind of drew me in. So I used that on the front and the back. So it only took like 2 pieces of pattern paper. Out of the leftovers from the pattern paper, I did do some fussy cutting and made some elements to go on here, but let me go through real quick. It has 2 signatures, so I did just a real simple elastic traveler's notebook type closure. I took some paper sacks from grocery shopping. I have like a ton of them, and I cut them apart and made some extra pages to go with it as well. So I just, kind of measured the space and made the pages accordingly. So I used a couple grocery sacks. I went in my stash and I had some rub-ons from like forever ago by Creative Imaginations, I think it was. And so I went through, and then just kind of, because of the spider webs and everything, I just kind of went with spiders. That's what the rub-ons were, so I just kind of did that. Again, I did some fussy cutting with the papers. I did coffee dye all of these papers, and it turned out really good. In my stash, I had these tags, and again, the purple theme, so I like that. This isn't really a purple theme, but these are paper clips that I made, I don't even know how long ago, and had them in my stash, and decided that I needed 3 paper clips in the book, so I just kind of attached those in a variety of places. So then I just kind of randomly went through, added some things. I took a couple of the tea dye tags that I had. These were tea dyed. The paper is coffee dyed. And I added some of the rub-ons, and then I just attached 2 of them together with a piece of the pattern paper, and then just kind of slipped them through. I slipped them through in between the pamphlet stitching that I did to create the signatures, so I could actually pull them out if I wanted to. So you can do that, randomly. But anyways, I added tags to that. We'll just go through. These were stickers from Michael's that I bought this year. They came in a package of 3 for $3, but I loved the image on here. It was just super cute. So I used a package of those. I took some of the papers that were left over, and I thought, well, I didn't want to waste these because they take so long to dye, that I just took a scrap of the paper and made like a little bookmark notebook, and just slipped it over the top of a page, so it just kind of is loose in there. Just kind of scrolling through again. I did have a couple doilies that I had tea dyed a long time ago, so I glued those to the bottom of the page to kind of create like a little tuck spot. Added my little rub-on spider. And we'll just go through. And so that's kind of what I did. And, you know, I really like how it turned out. It's kind of minimalist. I didn't do a whole lot of decoration on it, but it's, you know, it would be a great October daily. There's still time to get your October daily ready, people. So you can do that. Another couple little tags that I just attached with a piece of the pattern paper and then just slipped it right into the signature. So yeah, I think it turned out really cute, and I really wanted just to share with you what I did. So a dollar store altered project with some tea dyed copy paper, some grocery sacks, couple pieces of pattern paper, and I've got this really cool journal for Halloween. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. I hope you enjoyed that project. Run out to your dollar store and see if you can find some more of these. I'm thinking that I'm going to keep my eye out for other holiday type things like this and maybe make some more with different things, because it was just super easy, because you just attach them with the spine using the lay flat method to do the spine, and it worked out absolutely perfect. So thanks for watching. Have a good day, and I will see you soon with some more. Bye-bye.